welcome to our life in the Philippines. Um, we haven't really been vlogging for the last 2-3 days. We have like an excruciating heat wave. So today we decided to head on down to San Fernando, and right now we're having a little coffee at Dunkin' Donuts in SM Mall in San Fernando. So we're gonna try to show you the mall around a little bit, do some window shopping today. That way we can stay in the air condition while we're doing the vlogging. Yeah, that's the whole purpose today. There's so much here. This mall is huge. I didn't know it was this big.
No, this is the first time I came here.
Huh?
So I don't know either.
Right. Well, they got a little bit of everything.
Yeah, the most important is clothes.
Yeah. Including a McDonald's on the other side. Chowking, McDonald's, candy station. Alright, so they have, at the end here, they have the supermarket. Over there they have a Greenwich Pizza, Red Ribbon, Cake Factory. And it is
The grocery.
yeah.
So we need to go up.
Yeah, we can go upstairs. Alright, China Bank has an office in here. What is Dickies?
It's a brand for clothing.
Ah, alright, brand for clothing?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Alright, let's go upstairs and take a look. This is our way to escape the heat, guys. We can't, last video I did, it was like 40 degrees and it got so hot that I started fainting in the end. Can't keep yourself enough fluids. And alright, let's see what they got here. Oh, Inasal, Tapa Tapa. So this is the this is the main food court up here. We have never been here before, so.
Oh, this is the first time we came. Those are cinemas.
Yeah. And the music is very loud. It's gonna be
Violation. YouTube.
YouTube violation. And there's like Quantum. Yeah, drop off your kids and go and do some shopping damage. And then you have, oh, they have another one here. World of Fun. And over there they have a third one called the Sports Zone. Oh yeah, here I think they can drop off the kids. The fun box. Oh, okay. So this is the movie theater back in here. All right, that's cool.
So this mall is huge because there's a third floor.
Is there a third floor also? Yeah, but I don't know if there's any stores up there.
I don't know, maybe more in appliances.
Yeah. Try to talk in there.
Yeah.
It is so much loud music here. We'll see how this is going. What is Tapa?
I think there's no store upstairs.
I think it is. Oh, Tapa. That's I think it's like Filipino cuisine, right?
Yeah, there's a Filipino.
Tapa. Oh, this is like a halo.
That's just cheesers, sticks, ribs.
Chub chasers. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Sexy platter. The chubby platter. Pork steaks, T-bone steaks, chubby Salisbury steak. 5 steamed rice or mashed potato, 2 choices of side, 1 pie. Yeah, but that serves 8 people, so it's pretty cheap. Pretty cheap. Yeah. And Korean barbecue, unlimited.
Max. What's Max?
Max
More
restaurant.
in dessert.
Also looks like Filipino style.
It's more in dessert, Max.
I don't know. No.
That's,
You mean this?
yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I think they have regular food. They have regular food.
That's a tot fried chicken.
Sachs burger,
Savory.
classic savory.
Gopro
Express.
Express.
Yeah.
There's a Gopro Express.
Wow.
Dry and sweet.
Yeah,
Look
it's
at this.
what's this? They almost look real. Huh? They almost look real, you know?
Are they close?
Yeah.
The buffet is closed.
Buffet is closed. Yeah.
Jalapenos.
Samsung store.
That's a Mexican.
Jalapenos. Tex-Mex Cantina. Ah, yeah. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So there's this. But anyway, when you get into mall like this, right? Then you feel like you're almost in America. This is how many malls are huge, big.
Filipinos are very in mall. Even if you don't have enough money, just call up inside.
Right. So in here you have another food court.
You know what Filipino love to eat?
No.
Every time you go to the mall, we are very love to eat. We're eating.
Yeah, it's fun to go out and eat, right?
Yeah. Usually when you have your family also.
Cafe and pancakes, Woodbury red, Woodbury red, cafe, pancakes. Here they got Belgian waffles. That looks pretty cool. Yeah.
Woodbury.
Yeah, their menu looks cool. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. The menu looks good. Power Mac Center. Here's the tech stuff. Watson. This is a pharmacy, right?
Yeah. It's more in beauty product.
Right.
Downstairs like
Yeah.
downstairs like selling some bags, clothing.
Yeah. It's like this is like a view from up top. Down. Yeah, it's a pretty big place, that's for sure. Power Mac Center.
It's already good here because it's not really crowded.
Yeah. Power Mac. You should go in there and look and see what they charge for
For
I want to go in there and see what they charge for
your eyeglass.
what do you call it? Ace Hardware. This is where
It's hardware.
yeah, this is where we need to see. Do you know if they have spare parts like this is a knob for a, do you know if they have spare parts for that here? I guess I can ask. I'll ask in there. Can I ask? Hi. Do you have spare parts like knobs for propane ranges?
Check, sir. May ganito tayo.
You don't have?
Not sir.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. No luck here. This is Ace Hardware. That's a pretty big hardware chain in the United States too.
Here, Ace Hardware.
Ace. Yeah, this is Ace. Thank you.
Office, the one for the office. Office.
Yeah. Oh, here you go. Here you got televisions and
It's really
yeah, that's a fun movie.
nutcracker or whatever.
That's funny. Yeah.
That's a LG.
Look at this. No, this is not the one. This
How
is
many?
this one.
65.
65 inch.
Ah, it's similar to Glinda. No, remember Glinda, the big one?
Yeah.
65.
Yeah.
65 inch. That
Yeah,
was
that-
55. It's similar.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah. Wow.
It's pretty cool.
Super HD.
Yeah. That's a 4K.
4K and then the 4K also.
Yeah. I bet you this is probably 100 plus.
SK 80.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna go downstairs, but I want to go to the Mac store and just check
Where?
the Mac store. I think I saw a Macintosh store here.
Up or down?
Yeah.
That's the office.
This is the office warehouse.
That's the bike. The city bicycle.
Yeah.
Power Mac Center.
Photo line.
Power Mac.
Yeah.
Is that what you wanna go?